Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Satyabrat Sahu, MDDM clinical pharmacologist, and today I am going to talk on drugs approved for liver cancer. Drugs approved for liver cancer are atezolizumab, bevacizumab, cabozantinib S. malate, ramucirumab, durvalumab, futibatinib, ipilimumab, pembrolizumab, lenvatinib mesylate, sorafenib tocilate, nivolumab, pemigatinib, regorafenib, tremelimumab, ACTL, etc. And these drugs are to be given to the patient according to guideline and with caution. Thank you very much. Jai Jagannath.